Hi guys, welcome to Easy Mode Technology. So guys, in today's video, we are going to download Microsoft Office 2021 version so that we can access MS Word, MS Excel, PowerPoint, Notes and many more applications of Microsoft. Guys, before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to all so that you have to stay updated with us. Let's get started. So guys, the first step is open your browser. I am using Chrome, but you can use any browser you have on your laptop. Once it open, here search for Microsoft Customization Tool. This tool is going to help us to set up the software. Open it. Now let me quickly explain. Because Microsoft Office is paid, I am going to show you how to download the beta version of the software, which is available for testing. So to this, we will need to configure an XML file which is provided by Microsoft itself. So don't worry and follow me step by step. First you need to set your architecture of your laptop, and then in Office Suite you have to select Office LTSC Professional Plus 2021 volume license. Make sure you choose this one only. Now click next. Now in language you have to select English, United States and click next. In installation you don't need to have any changes and click next. In upgrade and update you don't need to have any changes, just turn off and uninstall MSI version of Office and then turn next. Now you don't need to have any changes. Scroll and click next again, and here scroll it and finish it. Now export the configuration file. You have to select the format as XML. Click OK. Accept the agreement of this. Once it downloads, you have to open a new tab. And here search for Microsoft Deployment Tool. Deployment. Make sure you are on the official website of Microsoft. I will provide this on my description below. Here download. Once download, go to the folder location. Here click and create a new folder named Office 2021. Move the file and both files in Office 2021 and move the 2021 in C drive so that we can access this in C drive. Now open the exe file as run as an administrator. After this, you have to accept the agreement. Click on continue and you have to choose the part where this file should be extracted. So in C drive in Office 2021, you have to select this and extract the files. Click OK. Click Window R and open CMD. Here you have to move to C drive. Here you have to choose the path 2021 Office which we created. Now you have to set up the configuration XML. Click enter. Yes guys, our installation is finished. Notification. Now you can close every window. Close the CMD, close the notepad, close, everything should be closed. Now you can see here in window, here recently added, you can see Word, PowerPoint, OneNote, and if I expand, every application is shown. First let's check Word, is it work or not. On open, it should be work guys, everything is going correctly. Now let's see in Excel, is Excel working? Open the Excel. Open the blank worksheet and you can see it is also working. Now here, don't save, here search for PowerPoint, open it and in black document. Yes guys, it is also working. That's it for guys. If this video helped you out, so don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So